Blender has a great shape key system, but it isn't optimized for managing a lot of objects with a bunch of shape keys. There is no search bar, there is no grouping system, there is no batch options for removing or adding shape keys, there is no way to control a group of shape keys, and much more things are missing. If you ever work on shape keys on a project that have a lot of objects, you would pretty much rely on this. Looking at all these, I created a tool that can actually fix everything. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have this model. It's a free model from Sketchfab. So thanks to the creator. And now I will try my add-on with it. So the link of the add-on is in the description, so you can get it from there. And now let's see what's going on. So once you install it, you have to press N, and then this kind of option will come out. You have to just drag it here so you can see things clearly, and there are some cool features there. So let's get started. The first one is the search one. So of course for now we don't have any shape keys, so we are not able to search anything. So for that reason we would add some shape keys, and here we have the first option as a shape keys. So before this, what Blender by default have is that if you want to add, for example, a set expression, what you have to do is to select the object and then double click, then click on like set. I can do is that I can copy this name and then just click on another object and then replace that name and then do it again and again, something like that, which is pretty time taking. So for that we only have to just select all of the meshes that I want to add an expression, click on add new shape keys, and then set here and click on OK, and it will automatically add it to all of the objects. And now I can go and edit it, but before that, as you can see, my set expression is not being selected. So if I change anything, it would be on the basis. So what I have to first do is that first let's make a group of these so we can actually manage things better. So I would click on make a group, and it's already picking the name from set. If not, you can just write it and then check all of these that includes the set expression. So I would click that, and now we have a group that have all these options. As you can see, if I select any of these, it will like refer me the mesh that it's that one. And now I can, if I just select it, it would select all, and as you can see my set expression is active, so I can now make a set expression of it. So I would do a quick one here, something like that. So I would, to make it more sad, I would just drag it like this, and also the eyebrows should go more down. Okay, I have to turn on the mirror. Okay, something like that. Okay, and now the cool thing is that I can actually play my whole group at once, and literally this is one of the best thing in this one. So before that, let me show you what was happening. So if I have to turn on this set expression, I have to go on each of the object and then turn on the value to like 1. So it was pretty time taking and like, yeah, hard to do this. So yeah, this add-on, this feature is pretty cool in it, so that you can actually play this. Okay, and okay, let's do some more things so we can like have more idea of what we can do better here. So I would again select these and add a shape key. This time I would pick happy and okay, and it will now add happy shape key to any of these. But the problem is that it's still selecting the sad one. So what I have to do is that I have to select and first make a group, that's obvious, happy, and then select all the happy one. Okay, and now it created this group that have all of these. But if I select The problem is that it's not selecting this shape key, and if I do any changes now, it will be happen to the set one. So that's why it have this button, activate on select. You have to turn on this thing, and now click on happy, and this would instantly select this one. Now I can turn it off and then go to edit, and now I can make a happy one. So okay, I would just do some quick changes here. Okay, and now again I can do the happy one, turn on and off, which is, even if nothing is selected, I can just have a control to like change things here. Now if I want to go back and edit the sad one, I have to click on activate on select this one, turn it off, go and do any changes here. And there we have. Okay, beside this we have some more options. So it have this batch add option. So this one is normally like whatever it's selected, it will add a shape key on that. But we have some more option. If you want to like make it like, let's say haha, and you get like 3 option here. It will add this expression to all the meshes in the scene, or it will add it to like collections or the selected one. So you get like 3 option here, so you can just try that. There is like batch remove option, which is pretty cool. So if I want to like remove the haha reaction, so let's just first add that and then we will remove that. So add that to any not any mesh, let's do it on any mesh on the scene and click on OK. So even my like here have now that kind of thing. So now I can do is that I can select, okay, I think I didn't name it, I name it key, but okay, we can remove the key. So remove, and that's the key, and okay, and it will remove from any object in the scene. Okay, so these are a few options that were like great to have here. So I thought I would like to share this with you guys. And the price of this add-on is like very less, very affordable. Just if you guys want to support this channel, you can buy it. And if you have any feedback, do you want like some more features in this one, make sure to like tell in comments, and I will definitely add more features. I am also thinking about some more ideas on the shape keys, but if you guys have any idea, you can also share that, and I will improve that, add more features, and grow this add-on. So thank you so much for watching, and again, if you want to get this add-on, this is the link is in the description, so you can get it from there. And for now, bye.